So here is the lattice diagram that shows the connection of each subgroup. So as we can see here above is the improper subgroup. So it consists the set itself and has the 24 elements. And next one is the first proper subgroup consists of 12 elements. As we can see, meron tayong line dito since yung elements na to ay mga nanggaling din dito sa set na to. Next one consists of 8 elements. So as we can see here, we have different connections. So for this set, it is connected to the set itself. Same goes here. It is also connected to the set, and also this connected to the set. And so for next proper subgroups consist of 6 elements. As we can see, again, this set ay nagmula dito since ito yung common nila. Hindi natin siya kayang or pwedeng i-connect dito since wala yung L and 6 ay wala naman dito. And also the semicircle and they cross. Okay? Same goes with this. Ito naman ay kinonect na natin dito since yung elements na nandito ay nandito rin sa set na to. So for this, nakakonect ulit siya sa main set natin. Same goes with this proper subgroup and also this. Nakakonect siya sa main set natin. Next one is the proper subgroup consisting 4 elements. Ito, so you can see nakakonect siya dito. Kasi yung KV nandito, yung crescent moon and star nandito rin siya. Same goes here. Dito rin siya nakakonect as we can see the connection. Etong dalawang to, dito nakakonect. So, etong tatlo naman na to, okay, for better visualization. Etong tatlong to, no? Dito siya nakakonect. Dito. Kasi kung makikita natin, lahat ng element dito ay common dito. Same goes here. Etong dalawang proper subgroup na to ay nakakonect din siya dito sa subgroup na ito since they have common elements. So, punta tayo kay 3 elements. So, itong KL6, nakakonekta siya dito at papunta dito. Dito, connected siya dito. So, nakulangan lang tayo ng linya. So, connected siya dyan. Okay. So, for the next proper subgroup consisting of 2 elements, as you can see, itong crescent moon and star, nakakonect siya dito. The quatrefoil and the triangle ay nakakonect dito. Same goes with the trefoil. The circle, dito konektado. The diamond, the semicircle, konektado dito. And the KV, konektado siya sa, ito, as we can see here. Same goes here. Konektado siya kung saan yung set na napabilang siya. And of course, they have the common element which is the trivial element or the identity element. So, if we are going to relate the order of the group and the order of its subgroups, again, here, edit lang natin ulit to dahil makulangan tayo ng linya. Ayan. So, if we're going to relate, we have here 24, 12, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. As we can see, these are the order of the subgroup and the group. So for 24, we have the improper subgroup or the group itself consists of 24 elements. For the next one, 12, consists of 12 elements. Same goes with 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So as we can see, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 are all divisors of 24. So this means that for order 24, which has divisors of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, means that for subgroups, it contains pwedeng maging 12 elements, 8 elements, 6 elements, 4 elements, 3 elements, 2 elements, and of course, lastly, the trivial element, which is the identity element. So, all order of the subgroups are all divisors of 24. But it does not guarantee that for every divisor ay may mag-exist na na subgroup. Nakadepende pa rin siya sa group structure mo. For example, as we can see, for halimbawa order 3, hindi siya magaguarantee that for that divisor or for that order ay may mag-exist na subgroup. Okay? Nakadepend pa rin siya. Okay? So that is the relation of the order of group and order of its subgroups. And well done. Thank you for listening. See you again with our next session. Thank you. Goodbye.